my wonderful diamond painting friends. Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder. Today is the day. I'm so excited. I'm here to announce our winner for the DIY Moon Shop Mystery Artist Reveal giveaway. Now this giveaway is sponsored solely by DIY Moon Shop, and I am the vehicle to bring joy to you through this giveaway. And I'm very excited to do that. Huge thanks to DIY Moon Shop for providing the canvas to our lucky winner along with the shipping. We're so grateful to you, and best of luck to Jeremiah Morelli, DIY Moon Shop's brand new artist collab. Now hang out today because I'm gonna have a surprise for you closer to the end of the video too. So without further ado, let's do a little review of what the rules were that you had to follow to be eligible to win this giveaway. You had to leave a comment on my video where I revealed Jeremiah as the mystery artist between June 15th and June 29th. And you had to just tell me what your favorite canvas was from Jeremiah's new release. So I have opened the YouTube random comment picker. I have imported our comments and filtered my duplicate users. So the time has come. Drum roll, please. It's shuffling. It's shuffling. Our winner is Debbie Williams. You guys see my screen? Congratulations, Debbie Williams. Debbie says, milkshake is so different and cute. Love to have that one. Well, just two cats on a roof is tempting. All are nice. I agree, Debbie. All are extremely nice. They're great canvases. Huge congrats to you. Debbie, please send me an email at tinyworldsofwonder@gmail.com. I will ask you to confirm your identity, and I will need your mailing address and phone number, and then we'll take it from there. Now, don't be disappointed, those of you who are not Debbie Williams, because I have something kind of, I don't know. I'm still sort of freaking out about how all this went down. So I posted my video with a mystery artist reveal, and I got so many great comments, and it was late at night, and I was scrolling through the comments, and there was a comment that just rubbed me the wrong way. And I don't know if my fellow YouTubers ever have this happen, but I had a moment of pure humanity. And it wasn't my proudest moment by any stretch, but I got into a bit of a tiff with one of the commenters down below the video. And I don't know what possessed the two of us to continue interacting on YouTube over and over and over. But it turned out that this viewer, despite having rubbed me the wrong way in that initial comment, is a lovely human being. And she and I have connected since then. And it is so random, the things that you discover about a person when you don't write them off instantly, when you don't assume you know who they are right away, when you sort of return that humanity to them that sometimes communicating over a screen can take away. So this viewer and I sort of put our heads together and came up with a little plan. So we decided, since we met in an interesting way, a unique way, and we sort of worked through a difficulty that I think most of the time people don't take the time to work through, that we wanted to do sort of a pay it forward extra giveaway attached to this giveaway. So huge thanks to my viewer, Grey Doe. I am so grateful I took the time to get to know you. Grey Doe is going to cover the shipping for a second canvas from DIY Moon Shop, and I'm gonna draw another name. This is so exciting. All right, so here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna hit the pick another winner button, and we're gonna shuffle here. And the same rules apply to this giveaway. All right, our winner of the second canvas is, I don't know if you guys can see, Miranda Brown. Miranda says, oh my gosh, it's so hard to pick just one. I want them all, but my top must-haves are going to be Where the Stars Come From, The Reader's Path, The Moth, Halloween Raven, Halloween Critters, The Window, and the Dryad version 2. I'm so in love with this artist's work and cannot wait for more of his amazing pieces to become available for diamond painting. I agree, Miranda, and congratulations. You are the winner of Grey Dough and Tiny Worlds of Wonders Pay It Forward canvas. So, same request from you. Please send me an email at tinyworldsofwonder@gmail.com with your mailing address and phone number. And again, I'll ask you to confirm your identity for me. And then we'll kind of take next steps from there. Now, Debbie and Miranda, please contact me within the next 7 days, if you don't mind. Otherwise, I'm going to have to draw a new winner. This was so much fun. The best part of having a YouTube channel, hands down, is getting to be the vehicle for joy. It's just the best. Huge thanks to Jeremiah Morelli, the awesome new artist collaboration with DIY Moonshop. Huge, ginormous thanks to DIY Moonshop for this incredible giveaway. Huge thanks to my partner in crime, Grey Dough, and huge thanks to all of you for being the best viewers on all of YouTube. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.